People are supposedly creatures of habit, and when people are invited to change a habit or change, it can appear and feel like a personal attack, can't it? You're telling me to change, the organisation wants me to change. I've been here 30 years, surely you should know I'm awkward, and you've got to work around me. Okay, some feedback from this side of the room there. Okay, maybe some of us know people like that, but again, we've got to help them be open to change rather than say change or else. Because the human brain responds better to invitations and requests than it does to commands, instructions and demands. Ever remember as a child you were told what to do and you instantly rebelled? Sorry, I have a teenage daughter, I know this. And perhaps you do too. But when someone's asked us to do something, even if we don't want to do it, we're a little bit more open, or at least a little bit less closed to doing this. Today I'm going to invite you to think a little bit differently about the cliche that people don't like change. You won the lottery jackpot last Saturday, did you not like the change? Of course you did. It gave you freedom, it gave you the ability to choose what you want to do rather than being stuck in a process. How are you going to engage with your people to communicate that you're there to lead them, and also you're there to help them enjoy their work rather than get through the day? You're there to enable them rather than disable them. Ever had a day where you've taken on too many projects, you know you can't do them, but you do it anyway because it's unkind to say no? Why do you do it? Because your brain is not necessarily seeking approval, but it might be thinking, I don't want to let anyone down. I'm sure he, she or they would do the same for me. And the law of reciprocity, give and take, win-win, can be a pain in the neck, and it can hurt you personally, professionally, and as an organisation if you keep saying yes when it needs to be a no, or at least a no not yet until we've discussed these other things that need to be explored.